Today, I'm going to attempt to remove all these stickers. I don't really like those on there. And this one up here. So, it won't take very long, but we're just going to go ahead and see what we can do about getting those off. I was going to use my hot air gun, but I was afraid it would get too hot. So I just went ahead and borrowed my wife's hair dryer. I don't think she'll care.
Where's my hair dryer?
Alright, I'm going to start with this top sticker. I'm going to get it hot enough to get this glue loosened up. I got the heat setting on the high setting on the hair dryer. And it's always best to go from one corner and kind of pull it from the corner. Okay, there's one. Looks like it's got a little bit of glue residue, but we'll take care of that in a minute. I'm going to try heating it from this side instead of going underneath of it. That way maybe the glue residue will come off and won't stick onto the tank. That might work a little better. Seems like it did. Yeah, those are coming off really nice. Quite a bit of residue left on that one. See if I can get some of it with the sticker. Sometimes you can peel it back off with the sticker. Looks like that's working. Yeah, I got most of it off. Now my favorite thing to do to get the rest of that off is WD-40. It works really good doing that, getting that glue residue off of there. And just use a nice soft microfiber towel. I've never had WD-40 damage paint. It always does a really good job of removing all that glue residue. It works good on bugs and other stuff too. Okay, it looks really good. And we got one more sticker. All right. There's not much glue residue on that one left. Looks good. I'll just use a little bit of this McGuire's on here, kind of help to put a little bit of wax on here. Getting low on this. There we go. Looks beautiful. Just a little short video to show you how to take those stickers off in case you wanted to take them off. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I love the look of this gray tank, and I just wanted it nice and clean looking. So, all right, that's all I have for you today. Appreciate you coming on watching, and I'll see you on the next one.